Welcome to our channel, where we explore how powerful, intentional food choices can transform your health. Today, we're focusing on the most important meal of the day, breakfast. But not just any breakfast. We are diving deep into a kidney-friendly morning routine that can help reduce inflammation, manage waste, and give your kidneys the gentle, clean start they need to function at their best.
For many, breakfast is a rush of sugary cereals, processed meats, or high-sodium pastries. These choices can place a heavy burden on our bodies, especially our kidneys, which are working tirelessly 24/7 to filter waste and maintain balance. What if you could start your day in a way that actively supports these vital organs?
In this video, we are going to give you more than just a list. We will break down 5 delicious, easy-to-make breakfasts recommended for optimal kidney health. We'll explore the science behind why each ingredient is chosen, from its phosphorus content to its anti-inflammatory properties. And we won't stop there. We'll also uncover 3 essential morning rituals that amplify the benefits of these meals. Stick with us for the next 25 minutes, and you'll have a complete roadmap to a breakfast that truly works for you, not against you. Let's get started with our first powerhouse meal.
Breakfast number 1, the superior steel-cut oats. When you think of a healthy breakfast, oatmeal is probably one of the first things that comes to mind. But for kidney health, the type of oats you choose and what you put in them makes all the difference. We're specifically recommending steel-cut oats. So what's the difference? Steel-cut oats are the least processed. They are whole oat groats that have simply been chopped into smaller pieces. This minimal processing means they retain more of their fiber and nutrients. Most importantly, they have a lower glycemic index, which means they are digested more slowly, preventing sharp spikes in blood sugar that can stress the kidneys over time. Rolled and instant oats are more processed, which makes them cook faster, but also raises their glycemic index. Now let's talk about the toppings. The recommendation is for blueberries. This isn't just for color or taste. Blueberries are a superstar when it comes to antioxidants, particularly compounds called anthocyanins. These powerful antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation throughout the body, which are 2 key drivers of kidney damage. They are a safe, low-potassium fruit that adds natural sweetness without needing processed sugar. Next, we add chia seeds. These tiny seeds are nutritional giants. First, they are an incredible source of soluble fiber. When you eat them, this fiber forms a gel-like substance in your digestive tract. This gel helps slow down digestion, manage blood sugar, and can even bind to certain waste products, helping to excrete them from your body and reducing the load on your kidneys. They are also a great plant-based source of anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids.
And finally, the liquid, unsweetened almond milk. This is a crucial swap. Dairy milk is a significant source of phosphorus and potassium, 2 minerals that people with kidney concerns often need to limit. Excess phosphorus is particularly difficult for compromised kidneys to filter out. Unsweetened almond milk is naturally low in both, making it the perfect creamy base for your oats without the mineral burden. Always choose unsweetened to avoid added sugars.
To prepare, it's simple. Combine 1/4 cup of steel-cut oats with 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk or water in a small saucepan. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat, cover, and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the oats are tender and the liquid is absorbed. Pour into a bowl, top with a handful of crushed blueberries and a tablespoon of chia seeds. It's a warm, satisfying meal that truly sets your kidneys up for success.
Breakfast number 2, the veggie egg white scramble. If you're someone who prefers a savory start to your day, this one's for you. This scramble is all about getting clean, high-quality protein without the baggage of high phosphorus and sodium.
The star of this dish is egg whites. While whole eggs are nutritious, the yolk contains a significant amount of phosphorus. By using only the egg whites, you get an incredibly pure source of protein, the building blocks for your body's tissues, without the high phosphorus load. This makes it an ideal choice for protecting your kidneys from mineral overload. You can use liquid egg whites from a carton for convenience or simply separate them yourself.
Next, the vegetables. Notice the specific choices: onions and red bell peppers. This is intentional. They're both low in potassium, a mineral that needs to be carefully managed in a kidney-friendly diet. But they offer so much more. Onions contain a powerful antioxidant called quercetin, which has been studied for its anti-inflammatory effects. Red bell peppers are packed with vitamin C and vitamin A, which are crucial for immune function and cellular health. And how do we cook them? In anti-inflammatory olive oil, specifically extra virgin olive oil. It contains healthy monounsaturated fats and a unique compound called oleocanthal, which has been shown to have effects similar to ibuprofen in reducing inflammation. Sautéing your vegetables in a small amount of olive oil not only adds wonderful flavor, but also infuses your meal with these powerful anti-inflammatory benefits.
To prepare, heat a teaspoon of olive oil in a nonstick skillet over medium heat. Add a 1/4 cup each of diced onion and red bell pepper. Sauté for 3 to 5 minutes until they begin to soften. Pour in a 1/2 cup of liquid egg whites. Gently stir and fold until the egg whites are cooked to your liking. Season with black pepper, a pinch of garlic powder, or fresh herbs like parsley or dill. Notice we are not adding any salt to keep this meal low in sodium.
Breakfast number 3, the Smart Smoothie with almond milk. For those busy mornings when you need something you can take on the go, a smoothie seems like the perfect solution. But it can also be a hidden trap of sugar and high potassium fruits. The key is to build it smartly, with kidney health at the forefront of every ingredient choice.
Your kidney-safe smoothie formula is simple. Start with a safe liquid base, add low-potassium fruits for nutrients and flavor, and finish with a source of fiber to keep you full and aid digestion. Let's break that down.
The base, just like with our oats, should be unsweetened almond milk. Again, this provides a creamy texture without the phosphorus and potassium found in dairy milk or the high sugar content of many fruit juices. Coconut milk or rice milk, both unsweetened, are also good alternatives. Now, the most important part, the fruit. It is crucial to choose low potassium fruits. Our recommended list includes antioxidant-rich options like blueberries, red grapes, strawberries, and even cranberries. These fruits provide vitamins and fight inflammation without overloading your system with potassium. The fruits to absolutely avoid in a kidney-friendly smoothie are bananas and avocados, which are exceptionally high in potassium. Oranges, mangoes, and kiwis are also on the higher end and should be used with caution or avoided.
To make your smoothie a complete meal, add a fiber source. 1 or 2 tablespoons of chia seeds or ground flax seeds are perfect. They won't change the flavor much, but they will add that essential fiber to slow sugar absorption and promote digestive health, which in turn reduces the workload on your kidneys. They also provide a boost of those healthy omega-3 fats.
Breakfast number 4, the buckwheat or bulgur bowl. Let's explore the world of ancient grains. While many common grains can be processed or high in certain minerals, buckwheat and bulgur stand out as excellent, kidney-friendly choices that offer a different texture and taste profile.
First, let's talk about buckwheat. Despite its name, it's not related to wheat at all. It's actually a seed, which means it's gluten-free. It's naturally low in phosphorus and potassium, making it a fantastic grain for a kidney-conscious diet. It's also a good source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a role in over 300 bodily functions, including blood pressure regulation.
Our other option is bulgur. This is made from cracked whole wheat that has been parboiled, so it cooks very quickly, sometimes in as little as 10 minutes. It has a lovely nutty flavor and a chewy texture. It provides slow digesting energy, which helps you feel full and keeps your energy levels stable throughout the morning, avoiding the crashes that can come from sugary breakfasts. The best part about these grains is their versatility. You can take them in a sweet or savory direction. For a sweet breakfast, cook the buckwheat or bulgur in water or almond milk and top it with finely diced apple, a great low-potassium fruit, and a sprinkle of cinnamon, which can help with blood sugar regulation. For a savory bowl, cook the grains in low-sodium vegetable broth and stir in some sautéed garlic, onions, or red peppers.
Breakfast number 5, the plant-based yogurt parfait. For a cooling, refreshing, and gut-friendly option, a parfait is a wonderful choice. But again, the traditional version made with dairy yogurt can be a phosphorus bomb. Our kidney-safe version reimagines this classic breakfast. The foundation of our parfait is an unsweetened almond or coconut-based yogurt. These plant-based alternatives are significantly lower in phosphorus than their dairy counterparts. Many dairy yogurts not only have naturally occurring phosphorus, but also contain phosphate additives, which are used as preservatives or texturizers. These additives are almost 100% absorbed by the body, placing a huge strain on the kidneys. Always check the label for FOS in the ingredients list and choose plant-based to be safe. The layers are where you add flavor and texture. Use the same low-potassium fruits we discussed for the smoothie. A mix of berries like raspberries, strawberries, and blueberries is perfect. They add natural sweetness and a powerful antioxidant punch. For the crunch, instead of typical granola, which can be high in sugar, phosphorus-rich nuts, and sodium, simply use plain rolled oats or a specifically made kidney-safe granola that is low in these ingredients. This parfait isn't just good for your kidneys, it's also great for your gut. Many plant-based yogurts contain live and active cultures, or probiotics, which support a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut can lead to less inflammation and a more efficient digestive system, which means less metabolic waste for your kidneys to handle. It's a cool, crisp, and incredibly satisfying way to start your day. So, we have 5 incredible kidney-friendly breakfast ideas, but the food itself is only part of the equation. To truly maximize the benefits and give your kidneys the best possible start, we need to integrate a few simple but profoundly effective morning rituals. These habits support your body's natural processes of detoxification and digestion. Morning ritual number 1: hydrate first. Before a single bite of food passes your lips, before your first sip of coffee or tea, drink a full glass of water. Overnight, your body becomes dehydrated while it works to repair and detoxify. Starting your day with water rehydrates your system, helps to flush out toxins that have accumulated overnight, and supports healthy blood flow. Think of it as a gentle internal shower for your organs, especially your kidneys, preparing them for the day ahead. Morning ritual number 2: eat slowly and mindfully. In our fast-paced world, we often eat while distracted, scrolling on our phones, watching TV, or rushing out the door. This has a direct impact on our digestion. When you eat slowly and chew your food thoroughly, you allow the digestive process to begin in your mouth. This breaks down the food more efficiently, meaning your stomach and intestines have less work to do. Better digestion leads to less metabolic waste and byproducts that your kidneys ultimately have to filter. Turn off the distractions and savor each bite. Morning ritual number 3: avoid early sodium. Your body's blood pressure naturally follows the rhythm, and for many people, it begins to rise in the morning. Consuming a high-sodium meal first thing can exacerbate this, leading to fluid retention or that puffy feeling and putting unnecessary strain on your cardiovascular system and kidneys. Keep your first meal of the day as low in salt as possible. This means avoiding processed breakfast meats like sausage or bacon and resisting the urge to reach for the salt shaker for your eggs or savory bowls. Use herbs and spices for flavor instead.
So there you have it, 5 intentional breakfast choices, from steel-cut oats to a plant-based parfait, and 3 powerful morning rituals. The core message is simple. Your morning choices set the stage for your entire day. By choosing clean, low-pressure foods and adopting mindful habits, you are not just eating breakfast, you are actively participating in your own health. You are reducing the burden on your kidneys and giving them the support they need to do their incredible job.
Start small. Pick one of these recipes to try this week. See how you feel. Remember, these are powerful guidelines, but it's always best to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to tailor a plan that's perfect for your specific health needs.
Thank you for joining us today on this journey to a healthier morning. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more health insights, and share it with someone you care about. What's your favorite kidney-friendly breakfast? Let us know in the comments below. Be well, and we'll see you in the next video.